Imagine driving down the highway and suddenly your car slows down on its own. A voice comes through your speakers. Your car is under my control. Smart cars integrated with IoT, AI, and real-time internet are vulnerable to cyber attacks. Let's explore how hackers can breach them. Entry points include keyless entry systems, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, mobile apps, OBD2 ports, autonomous driving systems, and V2V communication. Let's look at real-life car hacking cases where researchers and hackers exploited vulnerabilities in smart cars. 1. Jeep Cherokee hack, 2015. Researchers hacked into brakes, steering, engine, and transmission. 2. Tesla Model S hack, 2016. Vulnerabilities in autopilot revealed. 3. Keyless entry relay attacks stealing luxury cars. Risks to drivers include loss of control, privacy invasion, financial loss, and dangerous situations due to tampered navigation. Protecting smart cars involves regular software updates, encrypted communication, multi-factor authentication, and intrusion detection systems. As a car owner, turn off unused features, use signal blockers, keep software updated, be cautious with apps, and monitor car logs. Smart cars bring convenience but also new cyber threats. Understanding these risks is crucial for protection. What do you think? Should car companies do more to protect drivers from cyber attacks? Share your thoughts in the comments.